famous promise is that we promise to make people feel and look fantastic about the hair. There's nothing like getting your hair done to make you feel really good about yourself. Sometimes you might have not a good day and they come into the salon, and we have a lovely, inviting, friendly environment for them to come into, to relax if that's what they want to do, to chat with a stylist if that's what they want to do, and anything they want to do when they come into a salon, because they spend a lot of money when they come into a salon, and we've got to make sure that when they actually come in that we have that environment for them, because we want them to go out feeling wonderful. And if we fall short on that, they let us know and we'll put it right for them, because we really want to put a smile on everybody's face that we do. Well, if someone's not happy with their hair, it would be great if they actually let us know, because then we can do something about it. We'll invite them to come back in. We'll invite them to come back in for us to put it right for them, because the number one priority for Anthony James is for clients to be 100% happy with what we do. Because if they're not, then we're not. 3 ways you can contact us. It's either telephone on Halifax, which is 01422 366 080. Go onto our website, which is www.anthony-james.co.uk. You can email at air@anthony-james.co.uk.